What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to rodeo. Let's get into it. So the rodeo is essentially a DK roll, and when you're performing that side roll or side flip, instead of holding the board with two hands, you're holding it with one. Now for the body position, I'm not going to lie to you guys, there's actually not much to it. You're going to start off by hopping in your normal DK drop knee stance. I usually set my rodeo side as if I'm going to do a DK roll, and I do want to make sure that my knee and my foot are essentially on the same line and they are lined up together. Now when performing the rodeo, this is actually going to be the most crucial part. There's going to be two things that you need to make sure that you do in order to increase your chances of having a successful rodeo. So first things first, when you're in the middle of doing a side flip, in order to properly feel the board back underneath you, you want to essentially act like the board is a dumbbell and you are doing a bicep curl and curling the board back underneath your body. So the second thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is right before you throw your rodeo is that you're grabbing the side of your board and you're basically doing a slight pull-up, giving you a bounce and helping you with starting your momentum for that side flip. And this is actually something that I do all the time with all my rodeos. And this is actually one of the most important steps because this is actually what helps me give most of my power and momentum for getting a lot of air in my rodeo. So just to give you guys an example, you guys will see right here in this clip that right before I throw my rodeo, I do a slight pull up on my board, using that to help give me momentum and power, throwing that side flip, bicep curling the board back underneath me, and then popping back up into that drop knee stance. Now if you're looking to have a little fun with this trick, there's a couple different things that you can do, such as throwing this trick in different parts of the wave. And if you want to, you can actually throw this rodeo in the middle of the wave just like any normal trick. You can actually roll it out as you see here, and my personal favorite, you can actually throw the rodeo in the flat part of the Flowrider where the jets are the strongest, aka rodeo in the flats, and that area of the Flowrider is also the most difficult area to throw all tricks as well.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.